Hi, this is Sridhar Rayasam from my channel, and I'm a core asset business coach using the formula, and I'm really excited to share with you a story. The very second day after we finished India launch and the masterclass of core asset business coaches, I was able to get a client on board. The reason I was able to get the client on board is the scientific marketing makeover and the assignments that we did in the class, which helped me to understand the client's frustrations, the aspirations, and be able to exactly map the solution what the client really wants. And without this workshop, it would have been very difficult. And a lot of consultants out there, they try to wing it out and they try to talk fluffy things, but this program, Core Asset, is really business-like because we talk of Q52, which helps the client to understand and take an informed decision and can clearly see what value this core asset is going to give to him or her. So I highly recommend the masterclass of Stephen Giant for Core Asset Pro, and for all aspiring coaches, this is a wonderful opportunity to impact small and medium business owners to get through the tough thing that they're going through and help them reach next levels. And that's the immense satisfaction. I'm excited what would be in store for me. Thank you very much. Bye.